What you do, Booba?
Bent it all up.
Why you do that, Booba?
So she has to open it
Cause she got a cup, ain't?
yeah.
She handed everybody they stuff in a cup, so she had
Like
to
she
touch
ain't
it.
gonna grab it out the cup to put it in the register. Look, you're handing them something else. You handed them garbage. What is that? Like, look at you. Look what you're
She's
handing
taking
me, and then
their
you're grabbing
garbage.
it back. I hope you have the hardest time putting this money in. There we go. Fucking piece of shit.
I can't. My hands in the way. Finger was in the way. They cracking up, bro.
35 cents?
I thought you said we gave you 6.
$5.95?
You gave me 6.
Thank you. Here's your nickel. Here's your nickel. Thank you.
Got it.
Oh, my beautiful nail divas. It's me, Princess D. And we are here because I got this package from Yayoge. And I'm super excited because I have been wanting to try these for so long, you guys. And I want to start back my Yayoge Wednesday if I'm able to. And show you guys how to use certain products from Yayoge, or how to do certain things, or just to play and have fun with Yayoge, because I absolutely love Yayoge. They're one of my top favorite companies because they're so affordable. And not just that they're affordable, they're good products, you guys. Really good products. Okay, so these two are their 4-in-1 powders, so they can be used as a regular acrylic with monomer. They can be used as a dip with dip liquids. They can be used as a chrome. Look at that, you guys. Oh my gosh, look at that yumminess. Oh. This is a purple to blue. We're gonna use them as a chrome and as an acrylic today. And this, oh wait, okay, so this one, oh wait, it doesn't have a number. It doesn't have a number on it, you guys. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. There's no number on these. So this was a blue to purple. Oh my gosh. And this is like a purple to green. Can you guys see that? Oh my goodness. These are gonna be so fun to play with. I cannot wait. Okay, come on. Let's play. Let's play. And then I have number 4 and number 5. These are both a glitter polygel. So one is this gorgeous glittery red. We're going to play with that. And then the other one is, I think, a gold. Yes, look at that. Okay, so we're going to play with all of this. We're going to do a set of nails with these 4 products. Further ado, let's get started. I got this gel brush from Model Ones. but it's a size 6 gel brush, and it sits into the cap like this, and it has a really nice round gel tip. So that's why I like using this one. And don't y'all forget, you can get your Diva in a Bottle alcohol with cherry almond scent at divainabottle.com. Okay, so while that is curing, you guys, I found this. It is rainbow watercolor brush pens at Five Below, and you get all the rainbows, and the ink is in here, and this is a brush, and then it gives you the empty one so that you can fill it with alcohol, which I've already done. And I was playing around, and I did this nail with this kit last night. Yes, you see glitter on it, but I used this glitter that I got from Just Nailed It. It's Paparazzi, and the color is called Star Shine. And I used the purple, the yellow, and the blue in this nail. I freaking love it. I think it's great. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love it. But that was that. Let's get our nail up out of here. We already put some Diva in a Bottle base coat on it to give it that sticky layer so that the polygel will stick to it. Now we're going to go in with number 5, which is a gold. And I'm going to dip my brush into my 70% isopropyl alcohol to loosen up the gel that's already in my brush that I put in there to condition it. So when I'm done using my brushes, I do not clean all the gel out. I leave some gel in the brush to keep it conditioned. Same way you do with your acrylic brushes, you guys. I got this brush from Model Ones, in case you guys were wondering. This polygel is not soft, but it is not hard at all. It is really easy to work with. One reason why I absolutely love Yayoge. Not to mention Yayoge's products. You guys, I have never, you hear me, never had any issues with Yayoge. Not curing, giving me a hard time working with it. Never. Ever, ever. They are not chintzy with their products. It's feel to the top, my loves. You will not be disappointed in Yayoge products. Not at all. Not at all. One of my previous clients here from Pittsburgh, one of my best clients, Justin, I know you guys have heard me talk about him a few times, but he moved to Myrtle Beach. And he had to start doing his mom's nails. He said he wasn't going to get his nails done anymore if I wasn't going to be the one doing them. Poor thing. Anywho, so he started doing his mother's nails. And he started using Yayoge. And let me tell you, he did such a good job with her nails that I was so impressed. I was like, Justin, I think you missed your calling, darling. Look at that gold. Oh my goodness, I freaking love it. Look at that. That is so stunning, you guys. Oh, girl, get about it. Okay, so I wanted to try to do an ombre. Excuse my voice, you guys. I'm getting sick from being in this cold weather. I want to go back to the warm. But anyways, number 4 is the gold glitter, and I wanted to ombre that up from the tip to the cuticle, and then I wanted to use the number 5 red glitter from the cuticle down. What I should have done was cured that gold first, because then it would have been easier to blend the end of the red poly gel. You'll see what I mean when I get to that part. Okay, so right here is where I tried to do the blend, but they were both soft, so it was really hard. So watch what I do. So I cure it and then I add a little bit more so that I can do that blend flawlessly. Okay, so this one has cured and we are back at this ombre. So I put a bead right there at the blend. I'm going to blend it down the tip so you don't see that line. And then I'm going to take it and blend it up the nail till it's faded into nothing. So that you guys, now that it's cured, that red isn't going to go anywhere. So it's going to allow me to flatten that out as thin as possible to give it that good ombre appearance. Let me know down below what you think of my ombre technique. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to use my Model 1's Aqua Brush. I believe it's a size 8. And I'm going to use the Yayoge 4-in-1 acrylic. Let's see how it goes. Oh my freaking God, you guys. This is so freaking stunning. Now, keep in mind, I don't have Yayoge's monomer, so I'm not sure if that is causing it to be the way it is. But it's not, although it may look like it's hard to use, hard to work with, I promise you guys, it is not. It is so easy to work with, and you don't even need a lot of product. There was such a small bead and it covered the entire nail. I am in frigging DivaLüv, baby. Okay, so now I'm going in with that purple to green chameleon color, and I'm going to work that down the nail. Again, I only needed one bead. It went down the nail perfectly, y'all. I freaking love this product. Now I'm going in with Nailed by Nikki, of course, her clear almond stiletto acrylic, because it's so friggin' clear, you guys. It's almost like using gel. If you don't got you none, go on over to nailedbynikki.com and get you some. Again, I'm using my Model 1's brush. I have a code for them, Diana10. Okay, divas, so this is the set unfiled. I'm going to chrome ombre this one and chrome ombre this one to put it in with this set to make it look bomb. So I'm gonna go ahead and file these off camera. The chrome, I'll be right back. This is them filed and shaped. As you can see, I started filing before it was dry. And what will happen if you start filing before you hear the clickety click, and what I mean by clickety click is if you take something and you hear that sound, that means it's time to file. But I started before I should have and started rolling off the acrylic. But that's okay because she doesn't mind. So I'm going to go ahead and put some top coat on these babies. And then we'll top coat them and see how this Yayoge 4-in-1 works as a chrome. Okay? Paper towel with my 70% isopropyl alcohol with almond cherry flavor. Again, you can get that on my website at divainabottle.com. If you are interested in the flavored alcohol, or scented alcohol, I should say. I'm trying to get out of saying the flavored. But once you cured your top coat, you guys, what I do is go in and I wipe down my nails with alcohol, and that allows the chrome to stick very nicely to the nails. So I'm just going to go ahead and wipe these down. Okay, so I love it. Oh my goodness, I'm in love with this set, you guys. So come on, y'all, say it with me. Stay divalicious, and I'll see you when I see ya.